Today I'm showing you these nice steak knives by Cote. They have stainless steel blades. The handles are made of what's called Pakkawood. It's a nice looking wood, but yet it's actually a special composite wood material that lasts much longer than ordinary wood, and it's more waterproof and durable and everything. They're designed really nicely with just elegant trim work. It's got the bee there, and then has the antique copper bolsters. The name is on the blade. They come in a really nice little box. There's the lid, and this is the tray. And I've been testing them, and I've used them to cut some venison, backstrap, and tenderloin. And I've also used them for a few fruits and vegetables of different types. I'm actually cutting pineapple, and I'm seeing how well they do to do the trim work on this. I used my bigger knife to start to make the big cuts on the pineapple. Just gonna get rid of the outer shell here. Pineapple's slippery. Okay. That did fine, that did well. No problem with that. And of course, no problem cutting it into chunks. That's real easy with pineapple. Again, removing the core. And I'm going to try to cut a little closer on this one to the outside to save more pineapple. Okay, not bad. Set this over here, and I'm just gonna show you, it actually goes through the outer edge pretty easily as well. So it is a fairly sharp knife, easy to handle, and I think it definitely would be nice if it was a little sharper for some things, but it's overall a really good quality knife, and I like it. The handle is nice and comfortable in your hand, and it has the weight to it. You can see it's balanced well, you know, and it just has a good, comfortable grip. I like that it's not serrated, because most steak knives are serrated, and I'm just not a fan of serrated knives personally. It's very rare that I'm going to use one, only for like when I need to cut a really ripe tomato. This one, after washing it and laying it to air dry, it appears that it's gotten some water spots, so I decided I will be drying them as soon as I finish washing them from now on. Overall, nice product, great little set, really pretty, and would make a nice gift.